Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today with another Crafty Vision segment. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make some garland hoop earrings, okay? So here are the items that you will need for this here how to make video. You're going to need some copper wire. Now, I'm using copper wire because copper wire is really going to, you'll see, is going to give the earring a different effect, okay? So you're going to need about, this is 20 gauge copper wire, and you're going to need about 30, maybe 36 inches of copper wire. And trust me, you are going to use every piece of it, okay? Except for maybe 4 or 5 inches. You're also going to need some wire cutters, round nose pliers. This is the garland that I received. These two things I got from the Dollar Tree. I got the garland, and I also got this bracelet that I'm going to turn into a hoop earring. And you're going to need a fish hook for your project, okay? So let's go ahead and get it started. Okay, everyone. So the very first thing that we want to do is we want to just start wrapping our copper wire onto our bangle, okay? And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, okay, place it on here like this, and then just start wrapping it pretty much around like this. All right, just do it a couple times, and we have 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to take this piece and just bring that up like that. Take my pliers and just press that down to make sure that it's flush up against the bangle. And then we're going to start putting on our lace. Our garland. Listen to me, our lace. So what you want to do is you want to put these two pieces together, just like this. I'm going to bring them together. And we're going to just start wrapping it on here, okay? Now, what I did was I took this over here. The reason why I wrapped this on here was to make sure that this wire is stable and tight, okay? Because you're going to be doing a lot of wrapping. So you just want to take your pieces, fold it together, and come over here. I got a lot of wire and a lot of stuff going on, so just bear with me, y'all. Move this. Okay. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to start, like I said, wrapping this on. I'm going to tell you now, don't make it perfect. You don't want it to be perfect, okay? You want to give it your own little touch. So don't make it perfect. So you want to just come and take it and wrap it over like that. Okay. And basically what you're going to be doing is just wrapping the garland onto the bangle. Just like this. All right. And I'm going to come around. I'm going to actually be wrapping this more than once. I'm going to probably wrap it a couple of times. It's because we want it to be nice and full. So that is, and see what I'm doing? I got my hand is doing one thing, and then I'm holding it. I'm holding my Bango with one hand, and then my other hand, I am doing my wrapping, just like this. Take it through, and then you want to come over and hold this down like this, and take it over. When you take it over, excuse me, I feel like something was in my eye. And take it over. You want to take it through, bring it all the way through, okay? Now what I'm going to do for the sake of time, because this is a little time consuming, because it's a lot of garland, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for you all, and then I'm going to come back, okay? So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so basically this is what you are going to have. So now what I'm going to start doing is I'm just going to start wrapping this, because I wrapped it one time with the copper wire to hold it in place. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and finish wrapping this. Now I'm going to go ahead and wrap it like, let me show you what I mean. So I'm just going to take this piece here, and as a matter of fact, I need to snip this off. So I'm going to take my scissors and just snip right there, that piece. And then I have another little piece right here, but I'm not going to worry about snipping that off right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my garland and do this for the remaining part of it, just like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, like I did before, is speed up my video, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so this is the end result of our earring. No, this isn't the end result. This is just me wrapping the remaining part around. Now what you're going to have a little piece right here, and what you want to do is you want to take your this part of your copper wire, you want to bring it down and bring it over like that to hold that part in place, okay? Now I'm going to come here at the top here and snip that part that's sticking just like that off. And then I'm going to come over here and snip this off as well. Now, I know y'all remember me saying that I was going to wrap it again, but I'm not going to do that because it's not needed. I am going to make a loop. I'm going to make some type of loop here so that this earring can be worn. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to bring, I need to wrap this piece one more time to keep it from coming. All right, now you're going to have a piece of the copper wire left over. So now we need to make a loop so that we can attach our earring to the fish hook, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this piece from the back over and make a little loop just like this. Doesn't have to be anything big, okay? And then I'm going to come to the front, hold that in place like this, and then just wrap this around. Let me get my pliers. I'm going to wrap it around just like this. I'm going to wrap it a number of times. This is going to be in place. Okay, just like this. That's going to be in place. And you just want to continue to wrap this. And then I'm going to tuck it in here and bring it over, and I'm going to snip it in the back. So I'm going to take and snip it right here in the back, just like that. And you got your little part right here. And I'm going to take this and twist this. Wait a minute, make sure I'm doing it right. Wait a minute. One time. Twist it. All right. So there you have that. So now all we got to do is add on our fish hook. Okay, you got your fish hook on there. All right. And you got yourself a real cute pair of garland earrings, okay? Really, really, really. These are these are some fun earrings. These earrings you can wear dressed up or dressed down. This is simple, it's fun, okay? Very, very creative. All right, and you can pretty much do this with any garland that you purchase. Any garland that you purchase, you could probably do this with. So I just wanted to come to y'all really, really quick to show you. And as a matter of fact, I made another one, but I did not use this loop. I used aluminum wire instead, and I did it using the cream color one, but I used silver wire, okay? So I just wanted to come to y'all really quick to show y'all what I created with this. I think this is really, really fun. I think the copper wire really makes it pop. All right, so with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.